everyone, Vanda here of Raw and Well, answering a question. And the question is, should I continue with any prescribed medication during detox? Okay, that is a great question. Let's get right to it. So, whatever medication you're on, that you've been prescribed, I think the best thing that you can do is work with the doctor that's going to give you some time to show improvement in the way the body's working that requires that medication, right? And so you want to work with the doctor that's going to be understanding that you're trying to change your lifestyle and make the necessary changes in your diet, your mindset, all of those things that are needed for detox, right? And begin to show the doctor that there's improvement there. When things start improving, the doctor can then start titrating you off of those medications little by little, and done responsibly with a professional. So you should be working with somebody like myself, right? A detox specialist that could read your eyes and see what's going on and start getting you on a program, a protocol that will be beneficial to your healing and improving what's going on, so the doctor then can work with you on that aspect of the medications, right? And you could start then to decrease the amount that you're taking until you've shown enough improvement that you no longer need those medications. So not all doctors are going to be on board with something like that, right? Because they're going to be skeptical and they're going to say this is temporary and it's just, blah, blah, blah. And so we have to do our research and fire our doctors that are not in line with what we're trying to do for ourselves, because ultimately you're your own healer, right? It's your body. You make the decisions. Every bite you take, everything you expose yourself to is up to you. Therefore, you have to create a lifestyle that's sustainable at each point of that journey, and you need sometimes a team of people to support you along that journey until you no longer have to depend on anybody to help you on that journey. So I hope that helps. It's definitely possible. None of us, would be telling you that you should stop your medication without working with your doctor and seeing if he's on board to help you along the journey that you've decided to take going forward. That 1% better each day. Take it slow. Don't overthink it. Just give yourself and your body permission to heal and to do the right things and to make the necessary changes that are needed in order to actually heal yourself. Much love to you. Bye for now. See you next time.